Welcome to a behind-the-scenes look inside a modern warehouse, where every movement counts and efficiency drives success. At the heart of it all stands one powerful machine, the forklift. From loading docks to warehouse aisles, forklifts make material handling faster, safer, and smarter. But with so many types available, choosing the right one can be tricky. In this video, we'll explore the main forklift categories, their features, and how to pick the best type for your needs, whether you're working with fork truck dealers or a trusted forklift dealer in the UAE. Let's start with electric forklifts, the go-to choice for clean, quiet, and efficient indoor operations. These forklifts run on rechargeable batteries and are perfect for warehouses that need zero emissions and low noise levels. They're also easy to maintain and ideal for industries focused on sustainability, like food, pharmaceuticals, or e-commerce. The main consideration is charging time, so planning your shifts around battery cycles is key. For outdoor work and heavy lifting, diesel and LPG forklifts take the lead. They deliver strong performance and higher torque, making them perfect for ports, yards, and construction sites. Diesel models handle tough terrain and long hours, while LPG forklifts offer cleaner operation with faster refueling. Just remember, they require proper ventilation if used indoors and regular engine maintenance to stay reliable. Next are reach trucks and order pickers, essential tools for high bay warehouses and tight spaces. Reach trucks are built for narrow aisles, extending their forks deep into shelving to make the most of vertical space. Order pickers lift both the operator and the forks, allowing easy access to items stored at various heights, perfect for e-commerce or retail logistics. These machines are about precision, not just power, helping maximize storage capacity and workflow efficiency. For short-distance moves or compact warehouses, pallet trucks and stackers are simple and affordable options. Manual pallet jacks are lightweight and easy to operate, while electric versions add speed and reduce strain on operators. Stackers offer extra lift height for smaller loads without the size or cost of a full forklift. Many fork truck dealers now offer hybrid models that combine manual control with electric assistance, an excellent choice for small businesses. So, how do you decide which forklift fits your operation best? Start by asking 3 key questions. First, what's the weight and size of the loads you handle? Second, is your environment indoor, outdoor, or both? And third, what's your required lift height and aisle width? Your answers will help narrow down the perfect type and capacity. Working with an experienced forklift dealer in the UAE ensures you get expert guidance, maintenance support, and reliable after-sales service, saving time and money in the long run. From compact pallet trucks to powerful diesel models, every forklift has a purpose. Choosing the right one means higher efficiency, better safety, and smoother warehouse operations. If you're planning an upgrade, reach out to authorized fork truck dealers or a professional forklift dealer in the UAE to explore the latest models and technologies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into warehouse innovation and logistics solutions.